The story behind viral sounds. This sound
Do it! Just do it!
came from a green screen motivational speech filmed by actor Shia LaBeouf in May 2015 for an art project with students in London. He just stood in front of a camera and screamed at people to follow their dreams.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
And this
Oh, shittings.
comes from streamer Rupee Rich's recreation of the Evil Ander Dingus video.
My name is Ander Dingus.
Oh, shittings.
And this one
打开海中国，现在我有冰淇淋。
originates from a 2021 Chinese promotional video where John Cena sat in a car holding an ice cream cone and spoke Mandarin to promote Fast and Furious 9.
打开海中国，现在我有冰淇淋。我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是《速度与激情9》